Alrighty, dighty do. Let's see where we at. Yo, yo, yo. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I see my mic is on. Things working fine. So that was John Carpenter, Halloween theme music, 1978. Yo, let me just check one thing, lads. If you remember, right, I was checking why I'm not able to see. Not this. I know what you're doing, Ranch. I know what you're doing. Like, if you remember, I can't add, right, as a. So I looked into it. If I go subscribe, and let's see. It takes an hour for me to join, so let's see. There is like this glitch. I don't know because other people also mentioned they were facing it on YouTube as well. So let's see. Because I can see in other places as well. It's just I can see I'm able to add text from other places, but just this one here is an odd one out. YouTube is doing something. I have no idea what. Okay, but are you ready? Today will be a good one. Because not only we are doing a very, very popular one, a twosome problem, but today we are also going to do our first medium level problem from top 150 interview problems. And that is group. No condom Chris. Yo. 2591. Sure, let's see what it is. 9-1. Distribute money to maximum children. Sure. This sounds an easy one, so we can do this one as well. So we'll do 3 problems today. That'll be fun. Okay. So yeah, let's get started with 2591 then. For our homie Chris here. Let's get started with that, and then we'll do the twosome and stuff. Awesome. Chat. Thanks, man. Okay. Let's lock in. You guys ready? Wrench, you ready? You said you wanted a second. I might need water later. Okay. So let's get started with 2591. Distribute money to maximum children. You are given an integer, money, denoting the amount of money in dollars that you have, and another integer, children, denoting the number of children that you must distribute the money to. You have to distribute the money according to the following rules. All money must be distributed. Yo, you back? Okay. Let me send this actually, so everybody have this. So we'll do 2591 first, then twosome, then we'll do the group. Okay, going back, right? We have money denoting the number of dollars we have. Another one, children, denoting number of children. For rules of distributing the money is, all money must be distributed. Everyone must receive at least $1. Nobody receive $4. Receive $4, like exactly 4 or more or less. Okay. Return the maximum number of children who may receive exactly $8 if you distribute the money according to the affirmation rules. If there is no way to distribute the money, return -1. Okay. So if you have $20 and children are 8, the maximum number of children with $8 will be 1. One of the ways to distribute the money is $8 to the first child, 9 to the second one, 3 to the... Okay. Yo, Ranch, yo. It can be proven that no distribution exists other than the number of children getting $8 is greater than 1. And this one would be 2. Okay. This one more is like a math problem, I will say. Okay. So we have money. we have money and we have children, right? So in our first case, it was 20. By the way, not related to the topic, the game we doing is Eno games. I did BB on them. What is BB? Pretty good target, large scope. What's that? And we have number of children as 3. Oh wow, nice bro. That's awesome. So you are about to make more money from them. So this is something like 2 or something, right? 2 point something something. No wait, it would be not this. Number of people with 8 and 3 children. So it should be number of people with 8 would be 2 point something, 2.5. I'll try to hack this game now. Okay, sounds good, man. Do the hacking after the stuff is done. Okay, so we have 2.5, right? But we know nobody should receive $4, so it has to distribute. Okay, that will give 1. Okay. Next one was 16 by 8. It was perfect. So if it's a perfect, then we have this many. And no, main rule is everyone must receive $1 and nobody receives $4. So I think a maths would be money divided by 8, whatever it comes, let's say n. Number of children. Okay, no, this is actually a good problem. Actually, need to think. Okay, a formula. It has to be a maths formula. That's all it is, right? Let's say each children receiving $8. Let's say there are children receiving $8 is n. Let's say our answer, right? So 8n plus everyone else should receive $1 should be equal to the total money we have. Dude, this is a good problem, Chris. Okay, think. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. I hope I'm not cooking like salad or fucking cereal. I'm cooking something good. And everyone will receive 1. So let's say if we have number of children as, let's say, C, right? We want to make sure, let's say if the first one gets 8, we want to make sure the rest will get at least 1. So money, this should be children. Here it would be child. Number of children should be less than or equal to money left. Every time we distribute 8, then we distributed 8 again. Money is still more, right? When child reaches 1. If it is 4, we change. Okay, let's try it this way. Let's try this algorithm in which distribute number of children with 8. We can give 8 distributed first, then so that would be like money divided by 8, whatever comes is that would be will give that many. Then we check how many child is it less than and equal to the money left. If yes, so this is like fucking 11th 12th grade maths almost, maybe, and my brain is not able to cook. Less than equal to money, and if the last child is receiving, or if any child is receiving 4, then we take -1 from previous and distribute. Okay, let's try to form it that way. Oof. So let's say, bro, this was supposed to be easy, I know, but it's more maths. Like, I think it's easy if you understand like these mathematical manipulation things. Must be something, I don't know. Are you able to do it, Wrench? Well, I'll do this actually. Hard to see. Are you able to do it, Chris? You got it done? Okay, so we have, let's say, I would say it's more logic, not math. Less math. Okay. Okay. You don't need a formula memorize or anything like that. Yeah. Like, you need to create something though. Like, you need to create a logic for sure. So let's say it's number of let's say this is if number of children, this becomes whatever. Let's say this is, let's say if this becomes, let's say M is 8 or 20 and child is 3. So this will be 2. Okay, another way would be actually, let's distribute 1 to all the kids. Let's think of this way. Number of children we have, let's distribute 1 to all of them first. So our money will be, new money would be equal to money minus child, because every one of them should get at least 1. This is our new money. New money, NM, new money divided by 7. So if this was money, here was 20 minus 3, this would be 17. This becomes 2 point something, whatever. If I distribute to 2 of them, what would the last get? 4. Okay, I think this would work. So if it was, let's say, 21. Okay, I think this might work. Child with 8 int money. Children. Wait. New money is equal to if new money is less than Okay. Children with so every children now has $1. With the new money, should be divided by 7. Oh, you're done finally? Okay. Okay. I think I'm very near to. Okay. New money, this. If let's say the answer comes out to be something big, I didn't make you do basic maths, bro. I didn't make you do that. My brain is also cooked at like 9 p.m. On Friday night. I'm doing basic maths. Children with 8, let's say it comes down to some number, then it should be new money. Let's say this is our new 8, or children with 8. This is C with 8, and whatever is left, let's say money left eight times 7. So money left, and this will go to, now we have number of children which will receive 8, money left. Now, is this money, can this money be distributed to all the children? Yes, let's say if this is money. Like whatever is the money left, we distribute it to all the children. Till money left is equal to 0. And then we have to keep a count on. We have to keep a count on how many children will have this. Okay. Okay. So let's keep an array to keep an idea of how many children will get what. List number of children. So every children got 1. Now we know. If children under with 8, right? I'm thinking way too much. You want to say maybe I should use a data structure instead of being an idiot and like making it complex? This video might go down because of that? Oh, why is that? Oh, can you DM me? Like, holy. Oh, okay. Yeah, please don't make the video go down, man. I'm on the right path, thank you. Okay. Children with 8 are in range, so let's say all the kids with now will have 8 except for one. Or let's say this one too. I thought it would be an easy day, honestly, but so now I have a list till here. I have a list of people, the child who will get 8 and who will get 1. Okay. Now, all I have to do is, with the money left, will even a single child end up having $4? Let's say money left, right? Till keep going. Now we give money to all the child. So coming back, right? First step, create a list of all the kids and give them each $1. Then find kids, maximum amount of kids we can give $8 to, thinking the 4 property doesn't exist. Right? Third, if let's say till 8 and then this is 1, 1, we give each of them $1, whereas nobody can reach 8 anyways, making sure none of this string has 4 in it. This here I have to making sure none of them has 4. I have to think of a way, because there are multiple ways, right? Let's say if there are 3 and there are like can't be 12, like it has to be, oh wait, there must be a formula for or thinking of this number of these. Let's say these are 3 and total value I have is like 7. This can be 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and this will be 4. We don't want that 4, so we take one from these, end up. Okay. Something like that. You distribute it to all the kids, right? Is our range is this. Question is, we can probably mix and match here. What if there's just 1 here, 1 4 here? Then we have to go back to the previous one, 8, and do something with that. So that would be maybe in 5 minutes. I feel like I'm very near to it. So in 5 minutes, maybe I'll ask for help, boss. Just give me 5 minutes. Till then, I think you can do the twosome and the group. This one, have a look at the group, this one, if you want to. Thank you, boss. It's only been 20 minutes. Dude, everything needs to be. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I know. It is kind of interesting because, like, I understand that there is faith, and then if you have done it, you want to help. I understand both sides, I guess. But this is okay. Interesting. Hacker hack fast. Yeah, I need to hack fast. Go fast break. Yeah. There are two conditions. Either we can play around with the numbers here in the second half, string, or we need to like go back to the previous string. If second half, if there are more than one, I believe they can play around, right? If there are more than one, they can play around. So I don't think I need to worry about this because none of them can reach 8. They can play around. Yeah, that's actually one. Next is if this one is only one of them is left, right? If the only one is left, then it has to go and it's not equal to 4. I think I don't even need this one. Total children left would be if total children is 1, and money left is equal to 4 or 3, then return children with 8 minus 1, else return children or child with 8. Did I cook? Doesn't look like it. Maybe. Did I cook? Okay. Go. Yes, sir. Okay, new money. Howdy, Panda, howdy. I think I missed one thing in the description. I read it wrong. There is no way to distribute the money. I have faith. Thank you. else if PP hands. um, if it is less than 0, I think condition should be if it is less than 0, new money less than 7, zero, return -1. Think maybe this way. Is it else if? I always confused with that. What is it expecting? Oh. It is else if. If. Okay, thank you. I've been switching between so many languages recently, my brain is not able to comprehend. Money 17, children 2. Why is it coming as this? Okay, it gave money to each one of them. This become 15. 15 divided by 7, 2, yes. Money left is 1. This is wrong. So this condition is wrong. I think I'm very close. It's just this condition. So if total children left is this, I'm thinking like I can either put a condition that total children left is 0 and money still left, then there is this. If it's 1, then this, but in 2, okay. Is there a better way to do it? Oh. This would be, this is 2. Two, 1 will be 8, other can be super big. Minimum of either this, if this is smaller, or not related to the Arabic. I'm submitting a solution in Leetcode. Can I use AI to explain it in more detail? Like explain in the in the comments, you mean? Bro, I should have checked for a lot of these conditions. It beats 52% of them. That's good. But lads, can I ask a quick question? For this is where I need some help. First of all, I need to improve. I guess this is a good one because I need to improve my edge case thinking. Second, for a condition like this, is there a better solution? Because I don't like putting these specific conditions. I don't know if there is a better way. Maybe it is less than equal to 1, and money left is greater than equal to 0. But that won't do the job. Because children left 1, money left. Is there a better solution to these problems? Okay, let's see. Share my solution, sure. This is nice. I should start writing it like this. If money return if n is less than equal to 0, return div mode. Okay, I don't like the fact that they say, oh, done in 5 lines, but like, okay, you are putting if else in 1, you're just like trying to squeeze in the lines. That's one thing I. Yeah, honestly, AI has a better solution than most of the Leetcode solution, and it can explain better. Yeah. That's the reason, right? Like, here's my thing from what I have been looking online and what I've been hearing a lot of people who are good at programming. People say like AI can replace junior level developer. No, but if the junior level the fact should be junior level developer should be at least a little bit good in explaining his things, right? Yeah, Gemini has been going good, man. Like, I wanted to see the Fireship video on this. Like, junior, so because I will say this. Um, okay, I'll give you. I can't take the company name, but a company, right? There is this one company, which like a lot. I don't know about a lot of companies, but I know there is one company which do training of new hires. It's a 6 months long training, right? They train everything. It's really nice, a really good amount of training, and they do assessment of 3 streams they teach. Like for example, it would be, let's say, Python they taught, then they taught about, for example, Linux, and then let's say some Angular something, right? 2 3 things they taught, right? There will be assessment of all, and I have seen those assessment, right? They're not that hard. If this after 6 months of training, if you're not able to do it, 100% your fault, in my opinion. A good amount of it, unless until you had issues, right? Private things. But if you're not able to do these assessments, it's, in my opinion, after the 6 months of great training, it's your fault. And so many people are not able to do it. And this is not a hard one. It's like, I will say easy, because to pass you need only 70%, I believe, 60 70%, which is easy to reach. Let's say 90 plus, that's, I will say, is a little bit medium for a person coming directly out of university. That would be medium level hard, right? And I've seen this, and so many. This is for junior level, man. Oh, you did it, nice, bro. Nice. Okay, so let's do our two sum problem now. um and also, Chris, like, quick question, Chris and Wrench, for this one, right? Do you have a better solution? Like, this condition is bothering me, honestly. I don't like this condition. So I was wondering if you have a better. And I think there's so much better I can do in this place. There are a couple of places I can do very much better, but this is one specific one I just don't like. Maybe if number of children are greater than one, um, and money left is something, I can just return this. Line 23. Oh, these are like two conditions basically. Like, if the children, number of children are 0 and money left is greater than 1, then like we have to go back. Or if number of children are left is 1 and money left is like end up him having $4, then we have to go 1. Yeah, that's I did, right? That's we did. Give as many 7s as possible. Yes, yes, sir. Who are we beating? Third, if the leftover is a 4, then it's not valid. We need to reduce the solution by 1. But what if? Oh wait, I see your point. I did one thing which is creating extra lines. Yes, I'm doing is how many are there? How many are that? 300, 3 million almost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $3 million to help you. Heck no. I'll pay $3 to Gemini, man. I see. Yet this third condition of yours is better than my third condition, which is leading to fourth and fifth. Because I'm going with like a minimum of this. Yes. As many as possible, right? And then money left and all those, instead of checking just how much is, if it is 4 or not, and number of children left. Like then it would be, yeah, +1. Okay, yeah, because I have to do -1 instead. If I created a condition where it was +1, that would be easy. Yes. Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much, Chris. Thank you, man. Now I'll go back to it. Thank you. Yeah, this is for uh, edge case condition for sure. That's one thing I fucked up with. That's where I fucked up. Big time. I think, can you provide more conditions which are about test cases? I think that would help a lot because I need to work on my edge cases after this. And I think I jumped the gun here when I was looking into the solution. I jumped the gun for sure. Yes, please. Yes, please. We'll do it on Monday. More edge case one. I had two sum and the other one ready. So I want to do that. We'll do this on Monday. Can you send like in the Discord, like, or maybe just DM me privately, however you like? That'll be great. Where is Flex Zone? Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Sounds good. Sounds good. You can watch me suffer, just like Wrench like to do. At this point, I've accepted my fate. Okay, so now let's do the two sum problem. But before that, I need to drink some water. Alrighty. Okay, now let's go into two sum. And I'll send you guys this thing, this link here. Problem number 1, Leetcode. Bro, I put it in crypto, man. I put it all in the AI bubble. The AI bubble didn't pop. Sorry, French. Okay, going back, right, to sum. Given an um, given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target, return indexes of two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So we have number and target is 9, so it would be indexes would be 1 and 2. This problem is a really good one. So people a lot of time they do it on square. I will explain why on square, and then I will explain why on. How we can do on, hopefully. You hate it? Okay. Can you come up with algorithm that's less than on square? I think it's on log n. I know for sure we can do. I was just wondering if we can do it on. Maybe I did it in on. I don't remember. Okay. When I'm starting, it took me 1 hour to get the best solution. Makes sense? To sum. So we have an array with numbers, let's say x1 or x0 actually. Don't be like bbx, x or bbj. To x n minus 1. And then we have target, which will equal to xi plus xj only. Okay. So one solution is for sure the on square one, in which let's say we take x of, we go from the whole we'll go on the whole array 0 1 2, I should do x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, n minus 1, right? We take the value, let's say our target, our new finding, the number we are going to find will be num equal to target minus x0, right? We'll start, then whatever is the num, we look in this algorithm, what is it? x1 matches 2, 3, blah blah blah, right? Or another way of thinking it is we take x0, then we take x1. Is it equal to target? No. Then x0 plus x2, is it equal to target? No. Then keep going, right? Then we take it with x1 plus x2. Same thing, right? Now let's look at something with the complexity. This one is on square. I think everybody can tell. O(n) square. Yo, Chris, quick question, bro. What is your handle on Leetcode? I want to see how many problems. Looks like you do a lot of Leetcode, eh? How long you have been doing that, man? How long you have been practicing regularly? Going back, right, till Chris answers that. We have O and log n. You noob, you can code in 069. Okay. Dude, your parents doesn't see your YouTube chat or like these things, right? They don't know you are wrench here. They for sure don't know. That's for sure. Yes, yes, and okay. So we have O and log n, right? Yeah, they shouldn't. That's for sure. That's why I'm like, because if they did, they will beat your, yeah, they will beat you and they will beat me. That I haven't told them. They like, you live near us. Why you didn't tell us? So going back, right? We have x1, x0, x1, x2. Jonathan, welcome to the family, mate. And we have xn minus 1. Now, here's the thing. Hey, I had a quick question. So I'm a student who's trying to create an application to help for equity in our community, but how can you really start creating your application programming wise? Because I have started my UI through Figma, which is a UI UX design app, yes, and I can import it to other places, but I'm not sure how to even start that, and what language or tools can be used. And to give context, this is an app we want for both Android and iOS devices, not web based. Easy, React. For this is React, and I will give you an answer why really quickly. Give me just 1 minute. I'll give you okay, Jonathan, can you wait for like, okay, I'll just give you a quick reason why React and why React Native. React Native is your go-to UI. Why React Native is because a lot of people, right? Where it is? Where's my OpenStream? Oh, here. So what React does, right? Or React Native, it creates a bridge, or at least I will choose React Native personally, because what happens is React Native is basically React for specifically for mobile apps, right? Fair React version of for mobile apps, and that's how actually it started. So React Native, whatever code, yes, this is code, and if you do in React, you can actually use something like Next.js, because software, when it comes to like the backend, you can write in anything, right? It doesn't matter. It's how, if you're developing it for the mobiles, you have to think of the app wise, right? Like what you will see. Now, what React Native will do, right? It will create a bridge. So you have to only code once, and it can be distributed to iOS as well as Android. Your both cases will be solved with React Native. And in the back end, you can use anything like a Next.js or anything. Yes. Images. It's not giving me the one I want, the image I saw. Maybe it's the wrong. But yeah, like basically you want an app specially that it can do for both, right? iOS and Android, both app development in React Native. And given, right, your users don't know what you will be implementing in the backend, what you will connect it, right? This React Native app using something called APIs. APIs is basically a connection string, like talking. You call when you are using your phone to call, right, your friend. You do not care the person on the other side is using an Android, iOS, or just a mobile phone or like a telephone, right? You only care that there is a communication happening that through the wire, right? That wire is called API, which will not care what is in the back, what is in the front, right? You just develop these APIs and you can have anything in the back end. For front end, I will recommend React Native. It will take care of both. It actually will take care of your web, but you mentioned you don't need web, but it will take care of your web as well, all three in the same place. And to tell you why React Native is also another good one, and after some time of development, after trying certain things over the time, right, and messing up, every time you choose a language, a framework, a library, one of my things I really look for, right, is that they should have a good community, should have a lot of like Stack Overflow answers and stuff, because if they do, the problems you face, would somebody have already faced that, and you already have a solution. So for example, let's go to Stack Overflow, and I'm facing this issue because of some company request, but whatever. So if I go on React, right, see the amount of 500 plus result in relevance just with React. React is such a big game, is unbelievable. React is very, now if I search for a language which I'm working on, let's say if this one will have BBJ 62, imagine 500 to 62 just with the relevance, and majority of them will not even be for me. Figma is a UI UX thing, right? Let me explain to you. UI UX is like UI UX. Yes, with Figma and with AI development, through Figma you are able to code things. Yes, but depending on your application, like I like React over just using something like Figma to develop exactly what I'm seeing, because I haven't done it and it's AI, so I'm kind of holding back a little. But UI UX is basically like, let's say, a drawing, right, on how things will look. This is drawing. React, this is like a blueprint of your house. React is the actual implementation, right? This is your actual house. Figma is about design. Figma is amazing when it comes to design, but I personally haven't seen any good apps that used the Figma and the AI by Figma and its connectors to create a really good app to serve like hundreds of peoples or thousands of peoples in one go. So, and React, I have personally used Figma and React and Next.js and Django, right? Yep. And the main reason that I wanted to do Figma was because you could import to Android Studio. So let's say I make the UI there. Now, how would I actually program it? Yeah. So if you are like, I will say this, bro, go with React Native, try it. If you are not good with Python, you are more familiar with Java, right? Answer is Spring Boot for you. Spring Boot, Java for backend. I have done it. Spring Boot is amazing framework. It's like one of my, if I'm actually going in Java, this would my number one. But I will say even any developer, any Java developer, bro, my company, I work for a consulting company. So I have worked on software I can tell you cost $30,000 a year. You want me to show you? Oh, 60,000. So just the simple version of basic AEM is 30,000, but with other packages which we use, AEM forms and sites, it can cost up to 100K almost. Like, it's just, I have been like, I have done a lot of things in very less time. Dude, you cannot guess my age. Like, like amount of things I have done, amount of weekends I have spent learning is crazy. I have my whole idea is till I reach 30, I want to grind the fuck out of myself, see what all I can, what I like, because I'm still young, right? I'm like 27. I'm still young. I feel like I need to find, like, I love technology, I love cybersecurity and coding. Those two things I love. Yeah, I know the whole stack. I'm a full stack developer. Yes. My own startup, I'm part of a startup. I don't like this. YouTube is kind of my startup, but like I don't see, I haven't, I want to do it. I would love if a idea which is like so much important to me that I want to make big. Yes, but I haven't got that idea yet, which would be like, I want to build a next AI app. I don't have an idea. If I do, I would for sure. Yeah, because I think the only reason I will go for a startup is I see a problem which is very close to me and it's irritating me, and nobody else wants to work on it. I'm just going to work on it. But yeah, that's just me. That's just me again. But yeah, dude, like this Adobe is crazy, man. This is super expensive. And it's like, I have it in my, I think I have it installed right now. B Express, no, I don't have that. Yo, Idor, what's up, bro? Oh, also, I forgot to mention to our app this we wanted to add some sort of AI chatbot. Oh, yeah, APIs, bro. Again, APIs. You don't have to. If you are implementing AI in your system, you do not have to create an AI, use APIs. Again, going back, right? Idor, what's up, bro? APIs. This thing, I will say this. Are you comfortable with APIs? Are you good with APIs? Do you understand APIs very well? Oh yeah, you have your training, right? It's the weekend. All the best, Idor. Bye. Yeah, 100%, man. Somewhat okay. Let me ask you this: are you a student? Are you a student? I will give you two good things. Yes, in high school, awesome. GitHub student pack. Bro, I use this so much. It was such a good thing. Sign up here. Sign up for the student developer pack. If you have your email, student email, great. If not, have your student ID. You can ask them. And then with this, right? You will get so many good things. Learn Git too. First thing to learn if you want to code is Git. Little bit, learn just Git. Little bit, you will be good. You don't need to look a lot into it. Just understand what Git does for you. That's one. There are a lot of mobile app development helping tools you can get. You got ad? Oh, there's an ad going on? Ah, shoot. Mobile React. Yeah, here it is. Oh, I know why it's like that. Before starting. Okay, sorry, Raj. Yeah, okay. I will spend like 2 minutes in this. I think this is good for anyone who wants to do coding and stuff, or like build their own apps. Okay, you back now. Okay, sweet. So, bro, this is for anyone with the student ID in high schools, university, wherever you are. GitHub Student Developer Pack. What you need to do here: go on YouTube, learn what Git is, and then learn what GitHub is. This is going to be your best friend when it comes to coding. The best friend. There is no company in this world that doesn't use some or other version of Git. Right? Use Git before, awesome. We'll start to some in like 2 seconds, bro. I'm just helping this guy here. So that's one. Second, this is my favorite platform called Front End Masters. Right? It will teach you. FTC, I see. What is FTC? But yeah, this another one is Front End Masters. This single-handedly is one of my favorite first tech challenge. Oh, okay, nice, cool, bro. That's awesome. So Once you do this, right, like if you know Git, amazing, bro. Just make your account at GitHub as student developer. Learn about, go to front end masters. This place best when it comes to teaching. There is this one teacher, Caddy. She works at Expo. Expo is React app development, right? Gives you all the necessary code, boilerplate done. So she teaches React Native. Really good. This is what you need to develop mobile apps. Now, with web development, you need ChatGPT, right, for a chatbot. ChatGPT AI for web developers. Your app will work on web, mobile, and everything. So this can help you with this, as well as there are other such ones which can help you with the AI, like basically use APIs into integrate. So this one single-handedly will help you. These two things, big time, they will help you. So just do that, right? Just go on this, play around with this, and use the heck out of your student developer pack. By the time you actually do 1 or 2 courses, I can guarantee you will be really in a good position, really good position. Okay, and you can just reach out to me in my Discord. Even like if you want to reach me out through DMs, you can reach me out, right? And I can help you, guide you through this. It's great to see the passion in high school, man. This is like one thing I love about Western education. Okay, so really start from creating it through React for its UI. Thank you, Panda. Then get into those courses to create the actual program. Yeah, just go into React Native, like do the course I mentioned right here, the React Native course. Get the React Native course, just go through this React Native course, just the beginner's one, right? You will get at least the idea of how to code, how to think in React Native, right? How to just get started. This will help you get started. Once you get started, now all your job is to start building by looking at what things you learned from this course, what things you want to do, and Googling a lot of things. And use AI for help too. But first go through React Native, right? Like this course will give you idea of what React can do. I need to create that too, man. I'm just so busy with things. Like I'm just thinking, I hope I get a promotion next year so I can pay a editor to do those things for me. Nice. That's awesome, man. I'm happy for you. Okay. So now let's go back. Yeah, Penny, please. That would be great, Panda. Thank you. Now, going back to Tusum, right? That's what we are here for. React. Bro, React is actually a great one, man. I'll tell you why React is nice. Damn, bro, I don't have that much money. But like, React is great because it's very easy to debug. The data flows in one way. Unless until you are using Redux and stuff, which you don't have to worry about, Jonathan. Just think of React simple. Don't use of state management and stuff. Okay. We were at Tusum. Let me go here. Why you hate it, bro? React is actually a good one. React is one of those very few frameworks I like. Very few. Okay, going back. There is one way to solve Tusum is with ON login. No problem, man. See you later. Dude, don't forget to join the Discord, okay? We'll chat more. What? No. I like Swelty? What is that? I'm very scared to search anything you type. Oh, Swelty software. Okay. Web development for the rest of us. Okay. That's cool. I haven't done that. Never got a chance. Okay. Okay, all good. We have ON login. How? First, whichever array we are given, right? We are just going to sort it. We are going to sort this thing. right? And this will be done in on log n time, right? Now it's sorted. What we have to do? We will take this array and we'll take 2-pointer approach. One being I starting at 0 and one being j starting at n minus 1. Now with n minus 1, right, our goal is simple, just iterate over this from I to the mid and j to the mid, and conditions would be if I plus j, here's the condition, if I color change, I plus j is greater than our target. Remember, this works because only one possible solution is there. We do j minus 1, right? So it from n minus 1, it will go to n minus 2. Then let's say if it is greater, just join the Discord, I'll DM you. Yeah, no problem, man. Nice, welcome to the family. Now, if I plus j is less than target, we want to increase I, right? If I plus j is equal, those are the things. Remember, I and j are in a sorted list and we need to return the indexes. So we look for I in the original array and j in the original array. This will be done in on again. This will be done in on. This will be done in on, right? So, or actually this will together will be done in on. Let's think about that way. On, right? So our solution will be on log n plus n plus n. On log n plus 2n equals to on log n, is that bigger. This is our solution, lads. Okay, so let's do a quick code of this. So I will say new nums is equal to sorted or nums copy, is that a thing? Okay, there is a copy method. Yeah, copy, I don't want to touch the original num, so new nums is equal to sorted new nums. So this will now become sorted for I. Now we have sorted it, right? Now we'll start I and j. I I comma j equal to 0 comma length new nums minus 1, right? While I is less than j. Now we have reached the second part. After sorting, we'll go I plus plus with these three conditions: I plus j, greater than target, less than target, equal to target. If I plus new nums I plus new nums j equal to target, first is equal to I, second number is equal to j. Great. Else if I keep forgetting this thing here. Else if, and I'll just copy this guy. Noob, really? Why? Did you did it better than on login? So if this, if the total is less than target, we need to increase I plus equals 1. I still have the C++ habits and Java habits too, I guess. Minus equals 1, right? Keep going. We know this will happen once. Then now, for I in range, we should be new num. New nums. Remember, they both can have same values too, right? The I in, like it could be, let's say, target is 6 and the array is 3 and 3. So we need to keep an eye on that type of cases too. Length nums, right? If first is equal to equals nums I first index equal to -1, or I don't even need this actually. First is equal to I, else if second is equal to nums I, second index is equal to I, return first index, second index. Let's see if this will work. Invalid syntax. Oh. Judging, not jumping. Good part is at least after like almost so many videos on Leetcode and I'm started to use it properly. So time limit exceeded, so that means and I have to exit here, right? Break. If this would be helpful here. Because I didn't break. Second index. Oh, small I. Disk. Okay, first one, third one is not working. I have to change this condition. Because if it has already gone for that thing, like no, none. Oh, I'm an idiot, man. That's sorry. I'm jumping. I'm getting agitated because it's 10 and I want to go to bed. Okay, everything is working fine. Let's see. Okay, beats 52% of them. That's good then. Oh, there's 4 sum and 3 sum. Just delete that. Just delete that. Do not make that a clip. I'm happy nobody makes clips of me because that really didn't sound well. That didn't sound well at all. And I was just reading what's written here. I didn't do anything. I didn't. And it doesn't sound well at all. Do not. No. Oh, check your solution. Okay. I thought you were about to make a clip of 3 sum and 4 sum. And I was like, nah. Hey, Jonathan is here. Sure, bro. Send it over. Oh, 2 sum. Okay, so what's your solution? Scene, new map. Oh. Oh, I like that. On Leetcode? Wait, I think I like your solution more. This is a good one because what you are doing goes on every on Leetcode itself. I need to check. Okay. Back solutions. Wrench. Is that the name? What is your username on there? Proper extension. Sure. You have to tell me your username, brother. Is it Clippy or something? Ah. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Where is your solution? Filter by TypeScript. Search with. Oh yeah, my boy is here. Orange. Medium.com. Damn, bro. Nice, nice. Atta boy. Flexing hard, eh? Flexing hard, my boy. Good, good. I like that. I like that. Is there a way to follow? There is no follow or anything, eh? That's sad. Okay, let's see your solution, boss. While scanning the array for every value, we know the complement needed to reach the target. Yes, we've seen the complement, we have a pair. Maintain a hash map scene that stores value index of previously visited element. Okay, we see nums. Okay. Oh, okay. So you use like a hash. You see it's seen. You are maintaining that. Oh wow. Yo, I want to try that actually. That's actually a good way. Nice, bro. Upvote. Hell yeah. Okay. So that's actually a good one. So like, let me scratch all mine one then. So if I have a dictionary, so let's say my map, or let's say it to be sure scene. Let's say if this is scene, yeah, bro, top G stuff, top G. Nums, length of nums, right? But actually, this is a great solution. I should have thought of that too. So if this is here for if in what we are looking for is you go complement is complementation or pair, I will say pair is equal to target minus nums I. Oh, yo, how was the torture, bro? So first we are going to go over, create our map, and then we'll look for the pairs. Okay, so it will be 2ON, right? O2N, sorry. That's actually a great solution. Oh, shifted back to Obasian. One of us. One of us. One of us. One of us. How come though, Idor? How come? What a good day to start it. How come? Scene nums I is equal to index, whatever is the index I. For bro, Obasian is actually like good. Oh, you missed the markdown line. You know that is actually a issue with like notion I had was like its blocks thing is cool for some people, but I like the markdown language a lot. I'm very comfortable with it at this point. So pair this if scene dot get pair then return I comma scene pair. Found some solution for screenshot pardon. Oh, nice, nice. Yo, you use note taking apps because you have to. I use Obesian so I can have a second brain. Oh, I actually no way. Do you named your second brain your Obesian as second name brain too? No, I use the same thing. I say it's second brain. So nice. What the hell? That's actually really good. Attaboy, attaboy. That's crazy. You say it's second brain too. Nice. I know this will work. That's amazing, man. Oh, this one is. Actually, we are same, but different. Nums 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6. I return 1, 1. Target if not none and scene dot get pair equal to I. We might be saying yeah. Oh, beats 100%. Holy. I'm so smart. I'm the smartest. No, thank you, Ren. Thank you, man. This is actually a great solution. Holy. Amazing stuff. Top G stuff for sure. Nah, I'm smarter. Class went well, short class since I'm having progress review on Monday for. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. Bro, yeah, masters, you have progress review, you have so many crazy stuff. Yo, I need to, like, see if we can follow this. Yeah. Turkey is here. You are done with your masters. RIP, mate. Okay, this is holy. This has been long stream, man. Given an array of yo, can we do this one on Monday? I'm tired. Want my Friday. Given an array of strings strs, group anagrams together, you can return the answer in any order. This. Yeah. For this one, valid anagrams? Damn, bro, that's awesome. You know, I remember like I used to, even for easy problems, I was taking like a whole stream and still couldn't do it. Now I'm doing better. Social work counseling, nice. Masters, yeah. Oh, dude, this is. Yeah, I'm tired. I hate you, Wrench. Some days I just hate you, man. Holy. Holy. Yeah. Yeah, I can't think right now. I need to go sleep, man. I'm way too tired for this. Weak CH, bro, you're 12. You just had your cha. What are you talking about? You just had your cha. You lul. Lul. How will we do it? Eat, tea, tan, eight, nat, bat. Yeah, I can't think right now. Okay, lads. Oh, yeah. No, that's a call right there. I'm way too tired right now. But tomorrow, actually, I will come for study session tomorrow. I'll come for study session tomorrow. Yeah, like we can do whatever because I started working on the presentation for the resume writing. Wrote my resume. I can show you. The word is open here. I worked on my resume and stuff. Got an editor score of 100 and stuff. And here is something I'll show you. I send it to get reviewed. Somebody mentioned I don't see the point of having objective session, but rest everything was good, so that's good. Uh, yeah. whatever. Okay. Yeah, but like this has been good. So I'm just, bro. This is for you, Idor. I've been like working on like some PowerPoint presentations as well, so I can do a full-on class session where I can talk about writing resumes, finding jobs, who all can help. Sure. And who all can help you find a job. There are a lot of ways you can get help to finding job because there's some agencies and like so many softwares. Sure, you can join. I will send you the Discord for invite for this. Is it available here? No. Okay, I'll just send you directly, man. Yeah. They said like to wait for the what's this called? The thing is over, right? Like for the sponsorship thing to over. Till then, you guys play and just keep your what's this called images ready. Because it doesn't count for some reason. It's just me. This is all me right here. So yeah. Hopefully we will have at least like Wrench. Sorry, not Wrench. Rover sent me something really good, which is like $100 gift. So it would be a good amount of money. But if I'm able to hit that, it will be nice. Thank you so much, man. Because my goal is if I'm able to hit like at least like something around the line of here 1170 reach classico grease, this would like actually do 30 25. So this will be able to pay things for that. And that is $100 kit. That's $100 kit. Hacking kit specifically. So would be nice. Would be nice. Would be nice. This is crazy. Yeah, but whatever. We don't care. We don't mind as long as we can grind. And this would be nice. Hopefully. Okay. Till then, lads, a big thank you for joining. Right. This is the link. So if you can go download this game, play, see how you like it. Right. Here's the link for anybody new here. Right. And I will see you guys on Monday. Tomorrow for a study session, a silent study session. We'll be just playing ambience music, couple hours in the evening or morning. Let's see when. To study, silent study mode. We don't talk, we just study and complete. Okay? And if anybody have questions, then you can chat. But till then, thank you so much, lads. Yeah, it's for a whole month because like this, the whole thing will take good amount of time, bro. Like reaching these levels will take a good amount of time, I believe. Yeah. But yeah, we can just grind. That's all we can do, right? But till then, thank you so much, lads. Hope you have a great day, a great weekend, a great night, right? Have a good night, good day. Give your loved ones some hugs, prayers, and I will see you guys tomorrow for some silent study sessions and going back again to the medium group anagrams Leetcode problem on Monday and some try and hack me on Monday. Till then, thank you so much. This has been your favorite neighborhood hacker, the destroyer, the guy in the wire, the destroyer of firewalls, censored hacker, signing off with a big bye. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks, Wrench. Thanks, Sidor. Thanks, Panda. Thank you, Jonathan. And thanks to my man, Chris, for finding that problem. Thank you, lads. Have a good one. Dose. Come on, man. Okay. Thank you, lads. Bye.